What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. When I go in the wilderness, I don't wear jewelry, but this is one bracelet I might try. And that's because this is a pretty extreme bracelet, and I wanted to pick this sucker up. It wasn't a lot of money, but as you can see here, it's a paracord bracelet. It does come in some different color schemes. This one is just a black paracord, which is pretty nice, but take a look at this buckle. This is where the magic happens. Now, this is a pretty wrapped up paracord. I don't know how much is in here, but I feel like there'd probably be, I don't know, 20, 25, 30 feet maybe. Maybe that's too much, 15, 20 feet. I don't know, maybe. But it's this buckle thing that is pretty extreme. And if you do get it in different color combinations, it comes with like a gold plate on some of them, so they definitely can vary. I'm actually not even sure how it works, but it's very well made. You can see it's all metal, presumably stainless steel construction here. And I'm trying to think. Looks like this works like a buckle. Looks like if I pinch here, we can deploy these little hooks, and what'll happen here is boom, this knife comes out. Now, not only does that knife come out, but then I think we can attach it like this. So you can see, there we go. There. Now, I don't know how well that'll, I guess what I'm noticing is that there's a little space in between these black parts, and this loop right here kind of wedges into that and is kind of braced into this black receiver, and then these claws, kind of clamps, hold it down. So now it's actually pretty well in there. Now I will show you, it does flex a little, not flex as much as it moves because there's some space in there. But what we have now is like an 1.25 inch blade. Wow, it's pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. Just show you here. Yeah, it's not the longest draw because it's not that big of a blade, but you got that. So that is, geez, the most extreme paracord bracelet I've ever seen. And then you just pinch it here, and then you can put everything back. Nice curved edge. Like I said, I'm impressed with how sharp it is right out of the box. Then that goes back in there, and lock it all down. You can see the blade is fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about anything. But you can definitely wear this sucker. And then what's kind of interesting is you have to really deploy it. Well, I guess you don't have to, but I have big wrists, so I actually need to deploy the knife. Got to be a little careful here that you don't hurt yourself. All right, I took that off camera because it's a little easier when you brace the wrist and the paracord bracelet against like your stomach and kind of push it all together here. But I have a pretty big wrist, a 7-inch wrist. It's kind of what I call it, and I wear my watches loose. But as you can see, this is very comfortable. So even for me with a big wrist, it's not a problem. If you have a small wrist, this might actually even slip off. I don't know. But the fact that I have a big wrist I can get it on is a good sign. Now, I will say that it doesn't leave a lot of slack. So because this is kind of a large flat piece, it's going to fit like that. But I do like it. And now it's going to be a lot easier getting the sucker off than back on. Boom, just like that. And all of a sudden I have a knife. You know, if I need to quick cut something away, even cut, you know, the paracord, you know, if I'm lashing up something, pretty cool. It does come with this little carabiner that fell out of there, but I don't really care about that. But this will definitely go in my kind of next exploration kit. You know, I love the paracord bracelets, and this really brings a level of utility to your outdoor gear, EDC, that I've never seen before. So check it out. Like I said, not a lot of money, just a few bucks. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.